Countrywoman, we no get plenty story for today. The story go turn about Lydol, the singer. What happen with this small girl when a singer, maybe they prepare 2 concerts them. One for Yaoundé on the 23rd of this month and another one for the 7th and 9th for next month for that side for Wyman country. They call us say Abebo Bangay. Countryman, countrywoman. The girl, he don't put his papa for make publicity for an event. A parent them they enter inside. All man they talk about. Now, the papa anga palaba. What na balaba ndamba where they watch for Real Madrid, Barcelona, where the thing can happen, man no know. The whole thing I say in a neighbor they get problem. As they get problem in a neighbor, he want use fight in neighbor strong passy. He run car for us. He go take knife for his house. He enter in neighbor his house. He find picking them. The small one for 6 years, be the watch TV. He chop kumba bread with the chocolate. The picking see, the picking no mind or nothing. He cut the picking hand with a knife and they chook the picking neck with that knife. The picking kwara. The other big one them, when they 8 and 9 years, as they be see the cam, they run go enter room, they hide themselves. Reme no baby, that picking the Jordan only than them. That means if that Reme be there too, that papa for Lydol for surely kwara that Reme. So now so the thing go happen. Kwata na come up vex. They nakam, they call police don't come holy now. Lydol as if want organize a show for Yaoundé. If you don't put papa for before. Now papa be the for before, for back, for before. Now that they don't follow you so the Lydol don't finally talk. Lydol talk for some video for 4 minutes 27 seconds. Inside that video, Lydol they explain how it thing happen, and then Lydol talk say he don't cancel a concert where we begin for organize them for Yaoundé this month. That's after 20 May, and then one for France too. He don't cancel them. He say me justice take it cause may they punish your papa how they supposed to punish him. He say they don't try for enter in contact with family for that Matisse. But parents for Matisse they talk say they no want see you now, no be now. Say they won't see fresh, so the wait time after way we see you now. But for now, seriously, we no want see you now. So Lydol now he talk, he cry plenty, countryman, countrywoman. Now so tears run down his eyes. Tap like a pipe. Now onomatopia where I don't like for now. Let me say lewa anta for the matter. When I be see me for University of Boya. So plenty people they don't say they react. Plenty artists then too they react. The artists they react for the matter Lydol. Now Petit Boza, he don't react. Blanche Bailey, he don't react. Coco Argenté, he don't react. Lady Ponce, he don't react. Poopy, he don't react. Who again? Plenty of them. Malox by Viber, he don't react. What did they talk for Lydol now? They tell you say, Mama, now time this for you for cool down. Petit Boza, for example, he no like this the outing for Lydol. He say Lydol for shouldn't quiet because the outing will make him. It look like say no be sincere. Because for Petit Boza, Lydol no cry fine. The way they cry, they say it do na comedy. Now so Petit Boza talk. He on video now about 4 minutes too where it clash with he don't clash Lydol. Strong one. Clashes strong one. Countryman, countrywoman. And then my second creature where they call it say Poopy. He owner say me justice for Matisse. Matisse now that for 6 years. Will Lydol papa chuki with knife for his neck and then cut his hand, kill him. Justice for he say they not supposed to live and so they go follow up so the papa for Lydol, Mr. Nwafo, need for go ngata. Lady Ponce too, he come outside with own tori. He say the matter they no must leave him. Say they must follow him so the papa for Lydol get for go ngata strong one. Coco Argenté, he come outside too, he talk his own. He say the matter na strong matter. No man no supposed to leave the matter. They supposed to follow the matter, go before, so that middle Lydol papa, he get sense. Mani Bella don't talk his own. Les gens paniquent, nique, Majwa Ayi. I don't forget the name, but we are sing the song, the name go come. Les gens paniquent, nique, à cause de Majwa. Yes, the Majwa Ayi. He talk it on to say they must condemn Lidoli Papa, Mr. Mwafo. Mr. Mwafo, he don't do bad. For go kill my pikin, we get problem with the man. Imagine say that power for that pikin be there house that time. Where you don't touch it for that side, for that bar. That man for surely do it another two, no fine. Una just imagine say that so it be happen. Now that you record say la shite, but you go do la shite na for pikin when a papa find you problem. You na papa una try for harm. You know what for you? You go now for go do am na for pikin. For sure I say you want now which kind of fashion that? My long stock for Lidol say me Lidol for Palava music now just calm down. Me just calm down for Palava music because anything we go on move outside now, people they go follow you. People they go attack you. They go be very violent with you. Say me just calm down or say me the thing and go down small before it make any outing. And then you know say the thing they so for the way they journalism they don't make their outing. Plenty artists they do, they don't make their outing. They don't go now for that house for see play way a papa be the stay. They don't go see quite away papa be the stay. Picture don't go now viral countryman, countrywoman. Now so the matter they so the matter for Lidol, it go before, it go for way. If a man not take time, the way the thing they go. So Lidol, he use na sense and intelligence too for say he cancel all event them we will organize that because for sure if he sell ticket already, but no for waka. The thing they for job be for some malamalangulung get away. You know for waka at all, countryman, countrywoman. So now so the thing happen. As I retake now, we follow the event, we'll see what happen next. We'll see whether Papa for Lidol, he go Nangata, they go Georgie, he will be in a life imprisonment, or na how the thing will be countryman, countrywoman. Mo nakuna, another Tori day, countryman, countrywoman. The Tori na say weti. So woman, Imasa, he drive it for us. It is stay with that man since plenty years, them, long time we don't stay with that man. And then it don't be us. Now inside that house way, then too they will stay. For Sunday way pass so, and next Sunday and next Sunday we just chigga. The man now, he take the woman, he them, he throw her for outside. You know what see the woman now she collapse. That means say long collapse so we hold her for your hand. He said, no one see you for the house. If I see you for the house, I go cut you. I go eat up for African. I go decoudre with you. I go undecoudre with you. What are that one? Na uka one oh. If you no go lewa, you no go understand that one. Fine. Let me say one cut killer. The woman name, you know come. But the lawyer, where they follow the matter, how will they hide the woman name? Now the lawyer, Maître Charlotte Chakunte, now they for the matter. It follow her now, small for see how the matter go pass. The woman don't carry the matter, go for gendarmerie for that side, for Bonaberry, for Equator. And the gendarme, they don't go there, they don't go see all chin what happen with the man where use scholars, drive from away BRs with the for that side, for Bonaberry. Another story, na seweti, for polygamous couple, that means a woman, two women them, where they marry one master. They don't go now for hospital. And then they reach hospital. They don't try to begin make some kind of thing them. When they are with some kind push on them. They don't, you know, that kind of thing they take jabu no, so they call it charm. Then two, they take charm for go charm their master with them. The matter so. Na daily trust, he talk about the matter. And then the woman they stay now for Nigeria, they call it for the Dakwa village, for that side for Nigeria, way not far from Abuja. Now the thing don't go turn so way, that herbalist they don't give them some grass. Say now that grass they go use her now for make her say media massa, he not take number 3 woman. Because the man want take number 3 woman. Now so the thing go be give for that side ton. Then that liquid way they don't take an consume am. It don't make an one hand, it don't start to give some kind of way. And then the other one, ibele, it make some kind of way. They go make diagnostic for hospital. They say that plan the way they take away, they give them for the na plan the way and they get small poison for inside. Now that doctor, he don't talk for the Musa Mohammed, the woman them, they go for make operation for them. For Sika semi man not take number 3 woman. Una go take thing on the consumer we Baba for village tell una say una fit take the one we go do so go help una go begin take am for say may help una. If una no want polygamy, wanna enter polygamy. When man don't take 1, you don't take 2. If you take 3, if you take 4, if you see say the thing don't define you, you don't want to remain for the marriage. You come on you kang for the marriage. Now so they do the thing. No be say you go meet them na which doctor maybe give you some kind thing them and me use them for say maybe you turn the man headache and the man of it on he go give catch sugar. Tori day another Tori na say countrywoman. It concern now some small pikin them, school pikin them for that side for melon. Na very sad news. The school pikin, in name na Michelle Fortsing, 18-year pikin for class for lower 6. That means say premier for college polyvalent for melon. Una no melon no one they go for that side for Bafusam, for Bafang, for Panchi, for Kekem. Una they pass melon. So they begin to they make small business. Una no see na so they do now. Now the cocoa, bubble. And then according to the information where you come for outside, now say for weekend, the pikin it go for rompoy for that side for melon for go say a bubble. That means say that you they call it say baton de manioc. Any passenger if you stop, bus stop, it baton de manioc. Now so the pikin he go enter wait they go join me for inside that bus palaba for global voyage. Now global voyage for that side for Carrefour or Melon we for 500 meters for run point he make a so they begin a kick pocket. Michelle he come for castle. Michelle enter na accident na so Michelle he kwara for that side for Melon for Carrefour Melon. Moto he jam Michelle he kwara. So we think about Michelle now. We say Asia for Michelle. Na so a day, na so life day. Asia for you, Michelle. Another story. The one countrywoman. Na perika them for that side for Yaoundé. When na Trump mazembe them. Pikin the way they 15 and 17 years, 3 of them. Gendarme, what damn them. They don't put their hand for the pikin them. They catch them. They surprised the way they do it. When they make gun. These local made handgun them. They begin a day they try to make gun for their workshop. They don't get to their workshop for that side for Yaoundé the way they want make gun. And then they begin to try to run. The gendarme they don't get all the information. And then with the man we get that place. Now so gendarme they don't go all around. Now so the thing happen. And then man we get the place we say if you go some die. Time for come back, they picking them, they don't go for that place, use iron for make their gun. Now for do it, now mazembe work no, because if you make gun, we want go give me ring with them. That means say that gun them, and I want use them for do some kind thing them. So the two everything they discover them, I don't know. Sometimes say, governor for that side, go tell the picking and say, may they use on now for different factory they for give me gun. Or they go just carry them go lock up. If they begin sense to do that thing, now government know the way it happen and the way it will take place. So now so it happen. Now so it day for that side for Yaoundé. Countryman, countrywoman. Tori day. Onakuna another story. So man, he talks his story. For that side for Yaoundé. He say he don't come, he come out Yaoundé can Douala way, they do Douala for about 9 weeks now, where they Douala. And he talk say, a woman asks and say me this movie for Yaoundé, they send it for Douala for work. And then now, The woman don't go for Douala. And then the man, he come out for work for night. He can discover, say, the woman don't go with the 3 picking them for that transfer. He call. And then he talk, say, as a woman, they know they take phone, you want to touch her. Now the reason that he to decide for change town. So week they don't pass. After we there for Douala, and then woman, they picking them, they know the finyama. So now then that picking they don't fall sick. Now who go cure the picking them? Now they question that. So madam, before you want to take that picking and go, you know we think say this, so if you reach your play way, if it happen say problem day, you take and go, you know what tell the man, problem day now you say go solve am. Now the question that way, we the ask am. Now so the thing they countryman, countrywoman. As soon as I see am so. Now for here, we dey put end for the program. As I dey always tell you now, if you see my bag, maybe you know say my belly, it dey for before. Now so small time again.